Well, here's a little video tour. 1978 AMF Sunfish Sugar 2. Got the second coat of white deck paint on. It's Kirby's Maynard Bray off-white. We have a couple of coats of the Kirby number 4 orange up on the bow. Starting to put the graphics on. We'll pull the tape and start getting the hardware rigged. Get the combing back on soon, and the deck edge trim, cockpit trim. We rolled and tipped the 2 coats of the deck paint, the Mighty Mini roller and a little Corona trim brush. Cockpit was sprayed exterior, the corners with Rust-Oleum light gray. And the bottom section has a coat of the Kirby number 25 light gray. Should be ready for sea trials pretty soon, probably within the next week or so. Here's the combing and the trim. Get the combing marked up, the port side and the starboard side navigation lights. So get these pieces on. I got the sail, mast and spars all ready, so just need to put a few trim pieces on. She'll be ready to go. 1978 AMF Sunfish Sugar 2 in the tribute scheme to the Fixed Wing Training Squadron VT-27 out of Navy Corpus Christi. Hope y'all are having a great day.